Hello, children. Welcome back to your science class. So, today we are going to start with the new topic light, reflection, and refraction. So, basics of this lesson we have already studied in class 8. So, you all are already aware about the different concepts related to light. So, in this lesson, we are going to just study a one step higher than whatever we have already studied. Let us see what are the learning outcomes. So, at the end of this chapter, you will be able to understand reflection of light, what are curved surfaces, what are the different images formed by spherical mirror, what is center of curvature, what is magnification, laws of refraction, lens formula. Let us first begin with the concept of light. Light is a form of energy which helps us to see objects. When light falls on objects, it reflects the light, and when the reflected light reaches our eyes, then we see the objects. Light travels in straight line. The common phenomenon of light are formation of shadows, formation of images by mirrors and lenses, bending of light by a medium, twinkling of stars, formation of rainbow, etc. So over here you can see the different examples which are related to light. You can see that laws of reflection can be clearly seen where angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. You can also see how the white light gets refracted through the glass prism. Let us discuss about reflection of light. When light falls on highly polished surfaces like a mirror, most of the light is sent back into the same medium. This process is called reflection of light. Okay, what are the different laws of reflection of light? The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal to the mirror at the point of incidence all lie in the same plane. So these were the different laws of reflection. You can see it in the diagram that normal is in the center and incident ray and reflected ray.